Python program to find the sum of two numbers. These are the steps to find the sum of two numbers. Step 1. Take first number. Use assignment operator and assign a number to x. Step 2. Take second number. Use assignment operator and assign a number to y. Step 3. Find the sum of the two numbers. Use arithmetic addition operator and find the sum of x and y. Assign the returned value to sum. Step 4. Print the sum. Print the sum to output using print function. Run the program. Now, instead of taking hard-coded values in x and y, you can read numbers from user. Use input to read input from user, and then int to convert the read input to an integer. Run the program. Thank you for watching Python courses by CoderBean. If you like the content, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.